Science is an organized way of gathering and analyzing information about the natural world. The goal is to provide natural explanations for events. Also, aims to use those explanations to understand patterns in nature and to make useful predictions about natural events. Scientific observation is the act of noticing and describing events or processes in a careful, orderly way. After posing questions, scientists use further observations to make inferences. An inference is logical interpretation based on what scientists already know. Testing a scientific hypothesis often involves designing an experiment that keeps track of various factors that can change. The variable that keeps on changing is called control experiment. The variable that is deliberately changed is called independent variable. The variable that is observed and that changes in response of the independent variable is called the dependent variable. A control group is exposed to the same conditions as the experimental group except for one independent variable. Scientists make detailed records of experimental observations, gathering information called data. Curiosity. Open-mindedness. And creativity are examples of scientific attitudes that help to generate new ideas. Publishing peer-reviewed articles in scientific journals allows researchers to share ideas and to test and evaluate each other's work. Theory is a well-tested explanation that unifies a broad range of observations and hypotheses, and that enables scientists to make accurate predictions about new situations. Science involves understanding its context in society and its limitations. Abaya is a particular preference or point of view that is personal rather than scientific. Biology is the study of life. Living things are made of basic unit called cells. All organisms store complex information they need to live, grow, and reproduce in a genetic code written in a molecule called DNA. Living things respond to their environment. A stimulus is a signal to which an organism responds. Living things reproduce. Most plants and animals engage in asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, cells from two parents unite to form the first cell of a new organism. In asexual reproduction, in which a single organism produces offspring identical to itself. Living things maintain a stable internal environment. The combination of chemical reactions through which an organism builds up breaks down material is called metabolism. The study of biology revolves around several interlocking big ideas. For example, cellular basis of life, information and heredity, matter and energy, growth, development, and reproduction. Metric system is important in science. Most scientists use the metric system when collecting data and performing experiments.